Solstice's magnetic design forms one long, fluid line front to back. Arguably, it's the most progressive body style we've ever built. Crafted from hydroformed steel panels, the body expresses a shape and form that's difficult to achieve using traditional methods. In true roadster fashion, Solstice sits low and wide-bodied. It all starts with a 60-inch wide stance to better connect the driver to the road. The tight wheel-to-body relationship is obvious, with standard 18-inch aluminum wheels. You'll experience a high-revving, all-aluminum, 2.4-liter Ecotec engine that delivers 177 horsepower and 166 foot-pounds of torque. Connect Solstice power to the road by the Ison 5-speed short-throw manual transmission and intuitive instruments and controls. Solstice is rear-wheel drive with nearly 50-50 weight distribution, Bilstein monotube shocks, 4-wheel independent SLA suspension, and .90 lateral Gs. Inside, you'll find contoured, race-inspired seats available in two-tone leather. You'll be inspired to hit the road as soon as you sit behind the cockpit-style instrument panel with motorcycle-inspired gauges. Starting at $19,995, Solstice is the new standard for two-seat sport machines, and quite possibly, the roadster for the millennium.